For example, SOD2, mitochondrial clearance, right? There's a gene called SOD2, which you see these like marathon runners that are fit. You can see their abs when they're 60 years old, but they're haggardly. Their skin is sagging. They look like they're worn out, right? So what's going on there? Same thing. SOD2 is your ability. What do your cells do in your body? Your cells, there's trillions of cells in your body. They take in nutrition, they take oxygen, they make energy. In that process, they create oxidants, convert oxygen to oxygen. The thing that gives you life slowly kills you, right?
It's crazy. Yeah.
So that thing that ages your cell, unravels it, well, you take for granted that your body's taking care of it, right? You're supposed to breathe and you're supposed to run and breathe heavy and all this stuff. That one gene, SOD2, which is responsible for clearance at the mitochondrial level, where this reaction happens, where you convert the oxygen to oxidants and you're meant to then clear them and metabolize, get rid of them. You could be at 100% capacity, or you could be at minus 70% capacity, or minus 30 to 40, somewhere in the middle, based on what version of this gene you have. So if you are that marathon runner that has that heavy cardiovascular load, because you're breathing heavy, running, and you don't have the ability to clear the oxidation you're creating, it's kind of like having a fireplace with no chimney, and the soot just keeps piling and piling, right? What's going to happen over time? Yeah, when you're 60, you're going to look like you're 90.
Yeah.
Because you've aged your cells, right? You've aggressively aged them. And this is what happened to me. You look at my beard, I only got into this a few years ago, right? I'm 41 now. I was doing everything wrong until 3 years ago. 5 years ago we started, we were learning and building the science as a biotech company. 3 years ago, we knew enough to start implementing, right? And making changes. So I could literally have a black beard instead of a white beard right now if I knew how to take care of my mitochondria earlier in life. I've aged myself more than I needed to, right? I thought running on the treadmill was good for me. It was actually killing me because I'm not designed for that.
Yeah.
Right? Maybe it's good for my heart, but it wasn't good for a lot of other things. So anyways, long story short, to say what you said, yes, it's not a binary yes or no. It's to what degree.
Right.
You're doing it, but maybe at a severely reduced capacity, which means you need to change environment, nutrition, lifestyle to match your genetics.